Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make Kawaii mushroom using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, I am going to make mushroom stem. Take the white color and mold it into a cylinder. Next, you can make indents on the cylinder surface to give it a texture. For the face, indent a U-shape into the white clay for the mouth. Then I made 2 balls of brown clay for the eyes, also 2 balls of white clay for the glint in the eyes, and secured them on. To make the cheeks, make 2 small balls of pink clay. Next, we are going to make mushroom's cap. First, take white clay, flatten it out and shape it into a pancake shape. Then, take the red clay and roll it into a ball. Put the ball on your working surface and press it down to make it into a dome. We are going to join the white and red parts of a cap. You can make small white flakes on the top of a mushroom cap and secure them on. On the bottom part of the cap, I'm making indents with my needle tool. At this point, we are going to attach the finished cap to the mushroom stem. I added an eye pin so I could make my kawaii mushroom into a keyring. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished kawaii mushroom looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!